Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Rishi Bhardwaj. I'm Dr. Manoj Bhardwaj. We're here at Bhardwaj Health. And we just wanted to take this opportunity to ask you if you're tired of just feeling tired. Are you suffering like millions of people around the world from insomnia, weight gain, brain fog, loss of libido, chronic pain syndrome? And if so, we would like you to consider the world of hormone optimization.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we can all agree that hormones do decrease as part of natural aging. But again, like Dr. Manoj Bhardwaj mentioned, if you do have any of the above symptoms, along with dietary and lifestyle modifications, you may want to consider hormone optimization.
And that's one of the modalities we do offer here, including bioidentical hormone therapy. But we also offer injectables, gels, patches, all based on patient preference and their convenience. But most importantly, we try to clarify a lot of the misconceptions that are out there surrounding the world of hormone therapy.
Yeah, a lot of misconceptions out there, not only in the community, but in our medical community regarding hormone replacement. And we would love to hear from you. Feel free to call us, email us with your questions. Once again, this is Dr. Manoj Bhardwaj. I'm Dr. Rishi Bhardwaj here at Bhardwaj Health. Wishing you well.
Have a blessed day.